So what's happening, everybody? It's Akeem. Welcome back to Mission to Medicine. It's been a little while since I just talked to you all casually on the channel. It's the middle of a semester, grind season, big busy time. I have an upcoming Math Phys exam. If you watch my day in life video, I talked about that class, how intense that class is. So that class is picking up right now. I have a test coming up next week, Monday, that I've been studying extremely hard for. So much content. I feel like I'm in medical school drowning right now. I don't know how medical school is, but people talk about and say how it is. You're drinking from a water fountain. That's how I feel like. Not from a water fountain, for a fire hydrant. So that's a lot of water. I feel like I'm consuming so much. So right now I'm just trying to just take the material one by one and just get through it. But today it is mail time. Mail time. I just received a package from Amazon. I ordered this special item, this water bottle that's been really trendy on campus recently. Yeah, it is called a Hydro Flask. I'm sure many of you all probably have one, or if not, you're watching this video to see my review or my take on it. But I think overall, a lot of people have been saying a lot of good things about this bottle, so I'm about to check it out, unbox it. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just doing an unboxing because I feel like a lot of college kids are actually interested in this type of bottle, so I'm gonna talk about it and just give my thoughts about it. So yeah, I got the Hydro Flask, just came in the mail. I heard a lot of great things about it, how it can keep your drink cold like for 24 hours, keep your drink hot for however long, I don't know, just long. It's really high quality. It has a nice, beautiful look to it. They say it's sexy. Okay, here it is. Woo! Definitely good quality. Hydro Flask, colder, hotter, and longer. Definitely excited to get this because I've been needing a water bottle for a while now that actually will keep my drink cold, because I hate like putting it in the fridge and then I'm out all day and then it's cold and it's warm, it doesn't last long. It's just temperature. This is cool. I got the Hydro Flask water bottle. I ordered it off of Amazon. I'll link it down below so you all can go and purchase one if you're interested in. It's kind of expensive, that's the only, okay. So I got the bottle with the straw because I did not want the standard cap where I had to just drink like this. I don't like drinking like that. It takes too much work. And also, like, I don't want my nose hitting it. I have a big nose, so I don't want my nose hitting the brim. And it comes with 2 straws, so you have a replacement in case you lose one. You have another one. But this is pretty much the Hydro Flask bottle. Definitely high quality material. I'm going to be using it almost every single day to store my water and my hot tea and coffee, whatever I decide to put in it. But yeah, this is the Hydro Flask. Before I go, I wanted to mention that I also got the Hydro Flask Flex Boots, which is basically an accessory piece. The one thing about Hydro Flask, yes, they're very expensive, but it's definitely high quality. It's a high quality bottle and it's gonna last a very long time. So you're paying for what you're getting. But I also got the Hydro Flex boot, which is basically like a little rubber sock that you can put the bottom of it. It is aluminum, and then you can crash it and hit it. As you can hear, I'm banging it against the desk and it's so loud. So I don't want to, like, when I put my bottle down, I don't want it to damage the bottom, and I don't want it to make a lot of noise when I put it down. So I'm gonna put this boot on it. If I can get it on there right now. There we go. And it just goes on it. It fits like a sock and it complements the bottle very well. It also says Hydro Flask on it. If you can see it there, yeah, it says Hydro Flask on it. So it complements the bottle well. It's made by the same company. And I also got it off of Amazon too. It's a great bottle. It looks really good. And I can't wait to start using it. But yeah, overall, this is a great product. You should get it if you can. It's expensive. There's other options out there too. But this is the one that I preferred and I got it. So I'll see y'all soon. Peace.